So this Triumph Special has been cleaned, re-lubed, and is almost ready to be put back together. But there's one thing I would like to get here as well, and that's over here. There used to be some sort of rubber or cork dampener to make sure that it doesn't destroy, well, the paint or whatever. I already got as much gunk as I could out with one of these. And now it's time to make a new little bumper. I'm gonna try to do that with a piece of cork. First, I need to get the lever out of the way. I'm just gonna put a long rubber band on it, like so. It stays put. Now I'm moving over to my state-of-the-art bumper maker. Well, I haven't tried this, so I'm gonna use this thin strip of cork. Just gonna put it in here. That seems like a success, if I can get it out. As you can see, I only work with multi-million-dollar machinery over here. That's perfect size. Now it's a matter of putting a bit of glue on. Might be a little too much, we'll see. Shit. And getting it on here. There we go. New bumper. With very specialized tools and multi-million-dollar machinery. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.